Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I'll show you how to create this tube in Catia V5. As you observe this tube, of course the dimensions are not there, but if you see that there is a sectioned view, and the top view, see the top view of the tube, it has taken some angle, and front view it is bent 90 degrees. Simply if we take a curve and if we add solid along this curve by using rib option in Catia, the top view will not come like this, it will be straight. Then in this case, how to create this tube which is straight in the front, and when you see top it is with some angle. In Catia V5, for this to generate this, we need to combine two curves. We need to take two curves and we need to combine. That I will show you. Dimensions are not given for this. I take random dimensions. First, how can we generate a curve such that the front of that curve should be 90 degrees bent and the top of that curve should be at just some angle. In Catia V5, to combine two curves, we need to go to generative shape design, start shape, generative shape design. To combine two curves on two planes, we have a command here in wireframe. Here we have option combine. So we need to use this command to generate that curve. After that, simply by going for using rib option, we get this tube. So first what we do is we generate a curve. For that I select first YZ plane. I go to sketch. On one plane, say suppose a front plane. See front plane, I take this profile of 90 degrees with a curved with a given fillet at the corner. So what I do now is I take a curve like this. Dimension I give for this like 150. Length, this I give some 50 mm or 60. 50 I give. Then I apply corner as it is rounded. 25 mm like this. We got one curve which is of a front plane, which is on front plane of this shape. Then I exit. I slightly increase to 160 mm and this to 10 mm down, not 10, 60, 10 more, that means 60. Exit. Then top plane, we need to select now top plane. This is on front plane, and now I go to top plane. I go to sketch. Now when you view from top, see you need to take the curve of this shape like this. Here the section line is shown, same, just generate a curve following that section plane straight to some distance and taken some angle and straight. Like this I create, and I coincide this distance from not coincide, I give same distance, a vertical measure dimension. I make this 0. Then this I give some 40 mm. Or I give 30. This also I make 30. Angle, this one, this angle, let it be some 70 degrees, like this, 70, 80, 90, 60 or 70, like this. Then exit, or and also give some fillet here to avoid this sharp ends. I apply corner, 30 mm I give, and here also I apply corner, then exit. See, now we have two curves on two planes, perpendicular planes. Now, very useful option in Catia V5, one of the useful options. See here, go for combine, select this curve and select this curve and see the output. See, like this we get. Now I go for OK. Now we need only the combine as output, so I hide this sketch 1, hide sketch 2, hide. Now you can see here, view this curve front, it is a straight 90 degrees bend, and when you view the same curve from the top, see, it is with some angle, not straight. If you won't use combine, if you simply create this profile, then the top view will be a straight line. See, so to generate this combine, we need to depend upon surface modeling, then get back to part design. Then in part design we have a rib, as it is rounded, it is a tube, cylindrical tube. Then take a plane, normal to curve, of course we can directly take the same plane only, ZX plane. Select this plane, go to sketch. Now I create a circle, (25) dia, then rib, select this circle, select the combined path, then we get the output like this. See here, a good output as per the drawing. It is hollow inside, so in rib only, double click on that. In rib only we have a thick profile, thickness I give inside thickness 10 mm. Sorry, thickness means inside, not inside radius, thickness is this thickness. So to maintain 10, as this is 25, to maintain a 10 inside dia, then 25 minus 10, 15, 7.5 we need to give thickness. Sorry, you need to double click rib, thickness 7.5, see 10 mm hole, or I give 15 mm inside hole and I make this 10 mm, not 10, 5. This side 5, that side 5, total 10. 25 minus 10, 15. See here. Now we get a 15 inside dia and outside dia is 25 and the thickness is 5. Like this. So we get this, the main body we created by using combine. Then and here on this surface we have a boss here, and inside it has a hole. You can see here in the section view. To create that, I select plane, I give a color, I take a body, insert body, plane, base plane, I go to sketch, somewhere on the top randomly I create here, (16) dia, then so middle axis I make 0 such that the boss lie at the middle of the pipe. (75) I give distance, then exit. I take less, 14 mm, exit, pad, so 20 mm height. How much more it is from the surface? Slightly some 5 mm like that. 5 mm means as the circle is lying at the middle, dia of the pipe is 25 mm we took, so from the middle it will be 12.5 plus 5 plus 5, 12.5 plus 5, see like this. As it has a hole inside, in the sketch itself we take 2 circles. I take 8 mm, still smaller hole it is, 6 mm, exit, that's it. As we are in body concept, I apply a color and go to union trim. In body concept, union trim, because we need to inside, you can see here, see the inside we need to trim, the inside of that body we need to trim, inside portion of that body we need to remove, then go for union trim, select that body and face to remove, do select that face, then preview, see here, now it is trimmed and it is attached on the top of the surface. We need to remove this surface also, or else we won't get a hole. It has a hole inside the pipe, so in that case double click on the trim again, face to remove, do select this face also. See, now it has a hole inside. See here, you can see here inside section it has got hole into the pipe, that's it. Then fillet, it is rounded the end, slightly I reduce the height, this pad, double click 17.5, instead of that I give 16 mm. Okay, fine. Now I apply fillet to the end 5 mm. Let me see whether it accepts 5 mm. Yes, okay, fine. Now slightly I give some 3 mm. Yeah, it is filleted. Then what else remaining? So here here it has a flange type, some distance like from the start, like 5 mm or 10 mm inside it has a like a flange, a rounded flange, and here also it has. So what I do is I take a plane, I select this plane, reference plane, reverse direction, I use some 10 mm, insert body, I cut this and I paste this inside this body only. Then I select plane, I go to sketch, create a circle. So 25 we took the dia of the pipe. I give some 35 distance, 35 or 40. Go for OK. Pad a reverse direction, some 8 mm I give, or 10 mm, let it be 10 mm. Then go for union trim. Select this body and face to remove. Do select this face. See, like this we got. In the same way, at its bottom also, insert body. I select plane. I select this surface, reverse direction, 10 mm at 10. I select plane. I go to sketch. Circle 35. I make concentric this edge and this circle, right click, concentricity, then exit, pad of 10 mm, change color, go to union trim, face to remove. I remove this face. That's it. We get the output. See here. Then apply. Here we can apply chamfer. This is chamfer and fillet. I make mirror 5 mm. This also mirror 5 mm. So both sides it will be added. Then for this I give chamfer, this edge and this edge. Chamfer, I go to chamfer, 5 mm 5 mm length and 45 degrees angle. Let me check how it comes. And here also I give to this edge also, it is chamfered. So like this. Then fillet this side and this side, 5 mm. See, it is fillet. So this is the output. See, like this. So like this we need to use the main command to generate this whole pipe is combine. If you don't know the combine, then it is very difficult to generate a pipe like this which is of a section variations in from front and top, as it has a variation when you view that from front side and the top side. In that case we need to use the command combine. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD system.